Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G77 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So let's start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll and find the night light, and let me quickly turn off the schedule. So basically, to turn on this feature, we have to tap on the switcher, and now you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can tap on this option to customize it, and right here we've got this intensity switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. We can also schedule that feature. So the none option is manual option. We have to manually turn it on and off. We can also turn it on at custom time, so we can freely choose the start and the end time using this clock, and of course the device will apply the mode accordingly. Or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, so of course it's up to you which option you prefer. And that was the whole customization of this feature. And if you'd like to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and as you can see here, we've got our control center. So all we have to do is to try to find the night light option, which is right here in my case. So just tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. If you cannot find the night light here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon. And here, let's scroll to the second section where you've got the toggles that are hidden. Just find your night light. Let's say that the night light is right here. Tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to this first section to apply it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.